welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. Today is Makar Sankranti. Happy Sankranti, happy Pongal. So I have made Pongal today. It's a rice and a dal dish. We also call it khichdi, but made little differently. So let's make Pongal. Okay, so let's make the pongal. First, we'll check the ingredients. I have 1 cup of split mung bean dal. So this has already been toasted. I did that yesterday. You can do it, in advance, so you can save the time. So I toasted it for like about 10 to 11 minutes. Dry toasted. And I have about 1 cup of rice. It's been washed and drained. So you can do the ratio. If you want less rice, you can make it like 1.5 and cup of dal and 1.5 cup of rice. So it's up to you. You can also substitute with a brown rice, but it won't be the same. So the first step is in this saucepan, I have added like 2 teaspoons of ghee, and I will start the heat. We will first just fry this dal for a couple of minutes in the ghee. Okay, so we'll add the dal first. And this I'm going to fry for 2 minutes in the low heat. Okay, so after 2 minutes, I'm going to add rice to it. So I'm going to fry this rice for another 2 minutes. And then we'll add water and allow it to cook. You can do this in pressure cooker, but I always do it by this method. Also, it should be like the final rice consistency should be like soft. So you need to add more water than when you make pulao or biryani. Khichdi is how we make khichdi. Now we'll add water. I'm going to make it high heat and first bring it to boil. So as our pongal is getting cooked, here I have heated 1 tablespoon of ghee, and I'm just going to add like a half a cup of cashew nuts and fry it. Fry this in ghee for like a minute or two till it becomes nice golden. So these are done. I'll keep it aside. So the water has come to boil, and I'm going to add a measured salt here as per the taste, and give it a good stir so it mixes well. And I'm going to reduce the heat and allow it to cook so they blend well, both rice and dal. And then we'll do the final step of tempering. We'll allow it to cook now. Reduce the heat. So this is in the final stage of cooking. So we will check the ingredients for tempering. I have about 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, about 1 teaspoon of peppercorn. I've crushed some of the peppercorns. about 2 teaspoons of ginger and a few sprigs of curry leaf. And then I have about 3 tablespoons of ghee here. For tempering, ghee is very important ingredients. You can reduce the amount of ghee, but it does make the difference in taste. So I'm using 3 tablespoons of ghee over here. So we'll do now the tempering. We'll add the cumin seed, then the peppercorn, ginger, and add the curry leaf. Close the heat. Mix it well. And then garnish it with the cashew nut. And it's the time to serve the pongal.